And I guarantee you that people do not understand that Ethereum is a top 25, above among the top 25 market cap companies in the world, with half or 524 billion dollars in market cap. So this is, again, it's all about the research and putting the puzzle pieces together. That's what I like. It's like you're putting the puzzle pieces together, and there's so much momentum around Ethereum right now, from the charts to the news flow, that it's hard to ignore. And this show's been covering it for, I mean, I don't know, I don't want to give us too much credit, for months. So I think you kind of said it before the show. We're like, man, the listeners got to be happy with this, right? Because like we love our community, we love our listeners, we just want to do right by you guys. And we just kind of said, like, yeah, like, dude, if they're not making money, they're doing something wrong.
Yeah, and that's just because everything's just going crazy. And we've been trying to talk about this. So I mean, if you hear us bringing something up over and over and over again, it's not for no reason, right? It's because either we look up to a person, we agree with what they're doing, or we think that there's something of substance there. And that's why we've been talking about a lot of this stuff so frequently here on the rundown. So yeah, I mean, a big push, and this kind of raises a good question, Tivo. I'm glad you brought it up. Like, the big question now is, where can Ethereum go, right? Where is the top for Ethereum? Where's the top for the crypto market? And I've seen that question be asked more and more and more, because this time around, people are making more money and more money and more money. And they're like, all right, I don't want to get wrecked like in previous cycles. What are we doing here? What can we expect? And historically, we see the crypto market top out around a year and a half after the halving, which we're not quite there yet, but we're starting to get closer. And the hard pill that I have to swallow is the institutional tsunami that we're seeing, unlike anything that we've ever seen before.